welcome back to this type garage. So today we're going to be doing a little bit different. We're going to be here at the ATV. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to jack this thing up. I'm going to take these tires off the front. And I'm going to go ahead and grease up my bearings in here. I haven't done that in a while, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to be using grease gun, gloves. I mean, I usually don't wear gloves because I don't mind getting greasy. But because I have to handle the camera, I'm going to. Wrench, extension, socket. And I just now found out I can use this little impact driver, not wrench, driver, with this attachment, that I can actually loosen and tighten the lug nuts on the tires, and it does it. I originally thought, all I could use this for was for, just the screws. Turns out, no, you can use it for the lug nuts. So I'm starting to use this now. I feel like an idiot, because I could have had that years and years and years ago when I first started working on things like this, probably at least 3 years. And sitting there 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes sometimes, ratcheting. Now just ring. So, alright, let's jack this thing up. Put the jack stands on it. I do have the jack and the jack stands. I wasn't going to use jack stands, but I figured I'd be on the safe side. Jack it up, put the jack stands under it, and we'll pull everything off. I think I'm going to go ahead and slide this over just a little bit, so we can reach everything a little bit easier. There we go. Alright, so we can get to... Let me pull back over this way. Both sides of the tires. Alright, I'm going to set y'all down. I don't want to put it on time lapse. Actually, here's what we'll do. I'm going to do regular video I'm going to set y'all down and y'all go through the whole thing with me. I'm going to go ahead and just jack it up. I'm not going to show you that part. But we'll take the tires. I'll tell you what, we'll do this today. We'll take the tires off one side the old way, and we'll take them off the other side with the impact. How about that? We'll do that. Yeah. Kind of a time trial thing. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we do this side the old way. Now I just realized I should have loosened the lug nuts up before I jacked this thing up. So, well, that's stupid on my part. So what I'm going to do is attempt to loosen them without having to lower it back down. Which ain't gonna work. Alright, we're gonna drop back down. Now, we'll just use the impact. But I said I want to do the time trial, so drop that. Drop that. Okay, there we go. And I want to do this fair and square, so that's what we're gonna do. we've now successfully, I should have grabbed paper towels. We have now successfully, I grabbed two, over greased it just a little bit, but that ain't gonna hurt nothing. The more grease, the better. So, that's the way I look at it. But I learned this trick, which actually is not a trick, it's smart, is what it is. Clean these things off when you're done. So this way, next time you come back, the grease won't have got all the dirt stuck up to it. I mean, it's going to have a little dirt stuck to it. But we'll steer the wheel a little bit. And I might even take some WD-40 or something and squirt it in these joints because they could use a little bit of lubricating. You want to try and lubricate this stuff up every once in a while, just because. So, now I'll bring this back. And there we go. There's that side. And again, we'll clean this up so that the grease doesn't bring in a bunch of dirt. Alright. Slide this on. Like so. And we'll start putting these on by hand. Now, like I say, I'm just gonna get them so they're snug-ish, and then we'll use the ratchet to finish it. I may even loosen them back up with the ratchet. Look, that went on once. Alright. Now we'll switch tools again. Well, let's drop it back down first. So there's one, and there's two. Actually, okay, so I know what y'all thought. Well, I did take a little bit of time to lubricate. So maybe to make it more fair, I should have lubricated later. But, as far as I'm concerned, impact 1. It's a lot faster, a lot quicker, more efficient. Like I said, it did take a minute to get them loosed, but once they're loose, it's it. But then again, you figure it takes me a minute to get it loose too, so. I mean, now you look at the two differences. Impact. Took it a minute to get that side loose, versus me. I mean, generally you would loosen it before you jack it up, but done jacked it up, and oh shoot, forgot to do that. So, drop it back down. Versus the impact, it's simplicity, oh okay, I jacked it up, whatever, ring, off it comes. So, I take it that I have been missing out on it. Oh, don't sit down on the concrete, forgot about that. I think it ruined these batteries, or drain them real bad. But anyway, so yeah. Thanks for watching this episode of Jay's Top Garage. Hope you enjoyed. If you notice my mouth moving a bunch when I was doing this, if I put it on silent, which would be just showing you a music video instead, I do apologize for that. But if I decide to do music, it's just because I'm running my mouth too much, because sometimes I do that. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to say the impact 1. Now I did have some loose lug nuts on that side that I had to finish tying up. They were a lot looser than on this side. That's just because, you know, I did it all by myself. So actually they're tighter technically. That's because I stopped this when I got it close enough or snugged up a little bit. And it's just because, like I said, I don't want to, you know, overdo it. So, thanks for watching this episode of Jay's Top Garage. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, so I got a new toy. And I've had this in my shop for the past year, 2 years. So, dumb me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and see you next time on Jay's Top Garage. If my hair's messy, I apologize. See you next time on Jay's Top Garage.